Hey guys, so quick little unboxing portion. Then we're gonna install this at some point when it's warmer outside, but it'll be part of this video. So as far as you guys will be concerned, it's the same day. But anyways, quick unboxing of this Amazon spoiler I bought. The box says it's made in China, but packaged pretty well. Comes in all that styrofoam that was around it, so it wasn't moving around in this box. This instructions. But yeah, the box says it's made in China, so like there is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Made in China. But yeah, I figured for 200 bucks, find out what it is. I got a gift card. So why not? So just had packaged pretty decently. Comes with all this crap. It comes with some tape. And so anyways, before I was cut off by a lack of storage space on this phone, I was saying comes with tape, masking tape, and yeah, that's it. Tape and masking tape, mounting tape, masking tape. 2 sets of instructions. One for the adhesive for the tapes, and one for the spoiler. Basically, you clean the area. Isopropyl alcohol, I assume, or something like that. Yeah. Clean the area, mount it up, kind of make sure it's centered. Obviously, you're gonna want to tape on the bottom edge of this thing. And then start peeling it back slowly by slowly, and then press down on it and make sure it's firmly on there. It's pretty simple, but yeah, I'm pretty, this is my first time buying a carbon fiber spoiler, so I don't know what these are supposed to weigh, if anything, or a spoiler for that matter. But, I mean, you can see left-handed, my left hand's extremely weak, and I'm pretty weak to begin with. But anyways, so yeah, it's not bad. You can see the clear coat's kind of questionable. It's a little, yeah, but again, not bad. The fiber itself, like the weave, looks pretty damn good, especially for being quote-unquote eBay quality. The only imperfections that I found were around here, but that's where it bounced anyways. So when it's on the cart, it's gonna be like that. So you're never gonna see that anyway. So yeah, pretty good quality. Except the edges. It's damn dark in here. My only source of light is that thing, but yeah, it's a pretty good job. So, be excited to get some warm weather here so I can put this on the car. And then, if you notice here, there's a freak out because it is no drill, literally just adhesive. You could drill, I guess, if you wanted to, but I don't think that needs it. BMW's OEM spoilers come with double-sided adhesive tape. So, I'm going to go with what BMW does. But yeah, there are holes, but it's for the, in poor English, for the thermal expansion and contraction. You can see mine is design producing. Yeah, poor English, again, made in China. Not shocked, but yeah. I assume the tape probably should not go there, but yeah, not bad, not bad. I'm so excited to get this on the car. Hoping for warmer days here in Ohio. It's about 46 degrees. Dang, that's warm. No wonder it's warm. Feels warm. But yeah, it's about 30 degrees out on average. So we're going to wait till it warms up and stays about 50-ish. Just to make sure the adhesive is on there properly. Because the last thing I need is it blowing away. So yeah, we'll be back when weather gets warm. Alright, so we're going to finish installing this. It's a nice, I just stuttered a lot. 50 degrees almost day out here in Ohio. Next couple of days going to be pretty warm, so hopefully we'll be okay. So I'm going to leave it in the sun for the day, for at least a few hours anyways before I leave. So hopefully we're fine. But anyways, yeah, so goes like that on the car, so I got it upside down. Instructions don't really say put it, you know, like both sides or like the top and the bottom or anything like that, right? It says to place it 3 millimeters away from the edge, so I guess that's good. So we're going to go ahead and do that with the provided tape. It's 3M VHB, so I think we'll be fine. And we're going to stick it on the car, mock it up with some masking tape before we peel the backing off, and we'll be good. Real quick, it is still pretty chilly out here. This thing's kind of cold to the touch again. So I am warming it up with a blow dryer, just a little bit so the adhesive sticks a little bit better. But yeah, unless it's a 60-70 degree day, I would definitely recommend just again to make it stick a little bit better. Alright, so I don't think these are needed. but I added a couple on the bottom just to be on the safe side. Last thing I want or need is this thing to go flying off. It's only $200, but still. If it goes flying off, hits another car, then we're in trouble. So yeah. And again, we're going to use some masking tape, mock it up on the car, and then, yeah, just going to make sure that the trunk is a little bit warmish. Can use the blow dryer a little bit to warm it up, and then we should be good. Hopefully the sun's warmed it up, get them out. Alright, so we got it mocked up with the masking tape, pretty much where it's going to go. I don't know if I need it that much, but it'll give me the ability to flip it over. Just like that. Just got to use 2 hands. So it doesn't lose its place, you know? Ooh. Anyways, it's pretty centered, I think. Make sure it's centered before we push it on. Oops. But yeah, should be good. Ignore all the swirls. One of these days I'll get it fixed. But yeah, again, $200 for some Amazon carbon. It's pretty damn good. So yeah, let's go ahead and take the tape off. Cameo from the new puppy. This is Mateo. Why isn't it focusing? That was terrible. Come here, puppy. Come say hi. Good boy, good boy. But anyways, yeah, that's done. Ripped off the tape. I left a little bit. I should have showed a picture. Oh well. But I left a little bit, so it still gave me some room to yank. So went ahead, did that, lined it up. Pro tip, leave the longer tape because I went to go fold it and it all peeled up. So I have that. I added more tape trying to hold it down too. I don't know what good it's going to do. It's not really sticking that well, as you can see in this one. It's, yeah. But yeah. A couple hours I'll come back, get a picture. But yeah, it looks good. Not bad. Not bad. It's a nice new look. I love carbon. So now we got carbon there, carbon here. Next is either front lip. I think I'm gonna leave the grills, but yeah, either the front lip or the diffuser. Probably the diffuser though, 'cause that's gray. That's just random and weird. But yeah, Kaya, it's okay. Nice and easy, $200, pretty well worth it, I think. Installation's kind of, you know, up to you. As long as you do it right, it'll stay. So we'll find out if I did it right. I did obviously put some pressure on and push down and in, or forward, down and forward, right here, where I put that extra little piece of tape. But yeah, I think we're good. I think we're okay. Oh, we're here about 100 miles later, still in the car. So that's good. But yeah, I'd definitely recommend it for 200 bucks. It looks pretty dang good. One of these days I'll buy an expensive one and compare the two, but yeah, looks pretty good. Again, 200 bucks, not bad. I'll put the link to the Amazon, the affiliate link, down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. And I think the biggest thing is just the prep and making sure you put the tape on properly, the adhesive, and call it a day. I didn't put any on the edges personally. I didn't give water somewhere to go, so that's why it looks a little lifted up there. But yeah, overall, definitely worth it. Definitely worth it.